Hey, what's up, guys? This is us Gaming. Today I'm gonna be playing a game called Would You Rather. It's a game where would you rather. It might sound a little boring just because I'm doing this challenge, and I don't know what would you rather to use, but yeah. Oh my gosh, what is the? I think I have another website. Will you press the button? Yes, this website. Will you press the button? All right, here's a challenge. Challenge. So you can choose, you become Captain America, but you will get hit frozen for 70 years and be awake for all of it. Now this background might be boring, but here's a little spicy thing. You guys have heard of, I think you guys have you guys ever heard of being boozled? Being boozled? This this horrible game. I've seen YouTubers play it and I thought I could try it out. And you know what? If every time, so like if I press this button, it will I think it will tell me how much people stuff, but that doesn't count. I'm happy. But, so, we're gonna test this challenge out, so let's start. And I'm kind of bad, I'm scared because there's gross flavors. Hold on, let me tell you the flavors real quick. There is spoiled milk or coconut, dead fish or strawberry banana, raw egg, butter popcorn, toothpaste or berry blue, that's a good one. Barf or peach. Canned dog food or chocolate pudding. Booger or juicy pear. Moldy cheese or caramel corn. Tinky socks or tutti frutti. The lawn clippings or lime. Um, yeah. So if you guys, for some of you that don't know how to play Bean Boozled, so how to play? What you have to do is you get the spinner right here, and you have to spin it, and then wherever it lands on, you have to eat one of them. And so like I got spoiled milk, but that one doesn't count because I'm not having even started the game yet. So you know what? Let's get into it. Alright. You can be invisible anytime you want, but everyone know that you have this superpower. I don't really care. They can't see me though. I'm gonna do it anyway. That's good. Okay, good. Oh, I thought I failed there. Yeah, I got more because I thought that was 18,009 for sure. All right, boom. I don't need to eat a bean boozled. All right, next. All right. Would you have incredibly lucid dreams each night? But as goes on, the dreams seems you will start to get longer and longer. Eventually, your dreams will be an entire lifetime, so even if you only sleep for a few hours. Hours the line between. I don't really care about my dreams. I don't like bad dreams, but I don't really care because they're not really weird. So I'm just gonna say I'm gonna press the button, I guess. No, no. Now I gotta eat a jelly bean. All right, spin. All right, let's spin this. See how I spin. See what I get. Ooh, okay, I got butter, popcorn, or rotten egg. Alright, I'm excited about this. This color, I think. Oh, right? Yeah, I think I'm right. Oh no. Oh yeah, I'm right. Okay. Alright, here's the look at the jelly bean. Oh, let's try it. Please be butter popcorn. Oh, that's not butter popcorn. I gotta go fishing. Oh. That was gross. Alright. You get really. You know, I'm not gonna read that because I already know. What? Oh my god. Up, time for another jelly bean. Alright. No! No, 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 no. Oh. Oh, I thought this was I thought this was gonna land on. Alright. Alright, Mom. Hey, Mom, I'm doing a
Somebody say you could use that computer?
No. Can I?
No.
Well, I'm doing a challenge. Alright. There's a jelly bean. Here we go. I had butter popcorn or rotten egg, but I had rotten egg.
Yeah.
I know. I spit it out. I hope I get tutti frutti, not sticky socks. I can't spell. I'm just gonna say it's tutti frutti.
Junior, Jalen, I need you downstairs. Junior, I need you to empty the dishwasher. Jalen, I need you to take out the garbage.
I can already tell what this is, so I'm not gonna say I would not. Yes, I don't have to eat jelly bean. Right. Become extremely cute, but you look exactly like Halloween and people will notice it. Uh, yeah, I guess. Just give me, torture me, just torture me. Yay! I didn't get a bad one, yes! I got berry blue and toothpaste. The good flavors. Berry blue and toothpaste. Yes, okay. Yes, I can eat this one. This one's really good. They're not really bad. Berry blue. Berry blue. That's a good one. Alright. Next one. You become the best artist in the world, but you will keep the drawing on the wrong layer. That's actually a hard question. You're the best artist in the world, but you will keep the drawing on the wrong layer. I'm gonna do that. Yes. Alright. Next one. You would be extremely brisk, but you would be stirred. Nah, I don't think so. Next. You get a book published with whatever you want in it. You can't read though. That's fine. Alright. Lime and long clippings, whatever. Mom, I got line or long clippings. Line.
Junior and Jalen, downstairs.
I got lime. Oh my gosh. Yay. We could have dinner with any music artists are dead, alive, or dead. But the last thing they want to talk about is music. Oh, oh wow, that was easy. I make music anyway, so yeah, the world's computer was backward. But you must you must use Bing. I use Bing anyway. I use Yahoo, but like Bing's a good website. It's fine. I like Bing. So, oh yeah, everybody would use Bing. Who cares? Your instantly master or your favorite hobby for craft, but you must leave the unwashable mullet for the rest of your life. No, yeah, I will. Really, really, really. Mm, yeah. All right, all right. Let's come back to the gross jelly beans. Uh, uh. No. Mom. All right. It is dog. Is it chocolate pudding or canned dog food? Mom, can you eat one of them? Can you eat a blue one? What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat a jelly? Do you want to do one with what? Do you want to do one with one of them with me? Just one round with me after I eat this gross, disgusting jelly bean. Hey, I got chocolate pudding.
Oh, good.
Sweet. Okay.
All right, give me one.
Come. No, wait, no. Now it's your turn to try.
All right. Let's see. What am I gonna try?
You could change your eye and hair color or without dyeing hair or using eye contacts, but you would be fat. Press the button or it will not.
I will not.
Alright. Ooh, looks like you gotta eat a jelly bean. Alright, you gotta spin this. Let's see what you
Okay.
get. Mom, are you sure you want to do this one? It's peach and barf.
Oh no! I guess I have to, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like barf.
Close your eyes. Wait, open it. Gross.
Oh!
Go spit it out. Go spit it out. Go spit it out. Yep. All right. On to the next one. I know. You will become as famous, but everyone will seek you and find you and try to get you. That sounds scary. I'm gonna say I don't even want to be famous at all, actually, though. No, people. That was so close. Okay. All right, yeah, mom. Yeah, mom, you're gonna have dinner of jelly beans tonight. All right, all right. Please, you can't do this to me, mom. I have to eat peach and barf. I'm gonna cross my fingers. I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope this is good. I need water. You will become famous, and you win $20 million, and will live to be 150 years old. But you look like Charles Manson. Who's that? Oh yes. Okay. You can choose any two people to live with you forever, and they do anything you tell them to do. But no matter what, your lips are always chapped. All right. If I fail this one, I have to eat 5 jelly beans. All right. Here we go. Well, I mean 5 jelly beans anyway.